Give me a few minutes, champ. I'm going to tell you exactly where AI is right now and what you should actually do about it to transform your entire operation. You've seen AI takes. Everybody has one. You already have some idea of what's possible. For your business, for yourself, to make money. I'm going to pull all of it into one picture so it actually clicks. Stay with me. AI is at its most advanced stage ever. It's called Agentic AI. That's the frontier. What does Agentic actually mean? An agent is an AI that takes actions, not just answers, goes out and does things. It reasons, it thinks. If it makes a mistake, it tries again. If it gets stuck, it asks you. Otherwise, it just runs. That's the concept. But the concept's the boring part. What you can actually build with this, that's where it gets wild. Literally thousands of things. Let me walk you through the real ones. Stuff that replaces entire team functions if you let it. Before we go into use cases, I'm going to drop one thing on you that most people miss. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. Context is everything. Every use case I'm about to show you starts the same way. You don't just type "do the thing" and hope AI nails it. You give Claude a file, sometimes several files, were about you, who you are, how you talk, how your business works, what your brand sounds like, what you care about, what you don't want. That's context. That's how you train the agent to act like it's been working for you for years instead of 10 seconds. The small instructions I'm about to give, summarize my emails or generate an ad, those are just the trigger. The real work is the context file sitting underneath. The richer your context, the closer Claude gets to sounding exactly like you, writing exactly like you, deciding exactly like you. Keep this in mind in every example we go through. Now let's get into it. Use case 1. Say you run marketing. You know how valuable it'd be to see every ad your competitors are running, figure out which ones are winning, and match that energy with your brand. Here's what you build. You connect ClaudeCode to a scraper, Appify or Bright Dataworks. You tell Claude, pull every ad my top 5 competitors are running. For each one, note how long it's been live, the format, the hook. Longer running ads are usually the winners. Then, remember context. You give Claude a folder with your brand colors, your logo, your reference images, your tone of voice. You say, take the top performing ads you just found, extract the winning concept, layout, hook, composition, apply my brand, reference my style, generate me 20 variations. Connect Claude to an AI image generator. Nano Banana is one people are using. Claude orchestrates the whole thing, reads competitor ads, pulls the patterns, hands them to Nano Banana with your context, gets images back. Then you tell Claude, put it all in a beautiful branded web page. Competitor ads on one side, my new variations on the other. Export. 30 minutes of setup, that's it. And here's the kicker. Once it works, you tell Claude, save this as a skill. Now every instruction is a file. Next time, run the ad research skill on Nike. 60 seconds. Different brand, same magic. Manually, this is days. Analysts, designers, account managers. You just replace that function with 30 minutes of setup in a context file. Use case 2. This one's my favorite. Say you're a freelance web designer, great skills. Real problem, finding clients. Cold emails that say, hey, I design websites, go to trash in 2 seconds. What if the first time they hear from you, they open an email with their new website already redesigned, and all they have to do is say yes? Here's the build. Step 1, pick a niche, say restaurants. Connect Claude to a data source. Scraper, Google Maps API, whatever. Pull 100 restaurants in your target city. Names, sites, addresses. Step 2, for every restaurant, Claude visits their site and scores it. You give Claude a context file. Here's what a good website looks like to me. Here's what counts as outdated. Flag anything broken, slow, or ugly. Claude filters the list, left with only the leads that actually need your help. Step 3, for each filtered lead, Claude scrapes their existing site. Branding, language, logo, menu, colors, imagery, organizes it all in a folder per customer. Step 4, here's where it gets crazy. You give Claude a front-end design skill. Your preferred patterns, stack, layout style, aesthetic. That's context again. Then you say, for every lead, generate a new modern website. Use their existing brand assets. Deploy it live on Vercel. Vercel's the trick. It's free. Claude connects to it, and every site it generates comes back as a live, public URL. Not a mock-up. A real website the customer can click on right now. And here's the move most people miss. Those blurry phone photos on their menu page. You pull the dish, Send it to Nano Banana with one line, same dish, magazine lighting, clean plating, and you get back a shot that looks like they hired a photographer. Now, you're not just redesigning the site, you're upgrading the entire brand. The owner opens that email and sees their pappardelle looking like it belongs in Bon Appetit. That's how you close. Step 5. You work with Claude for a little bit on your cold email voice. Not a template, a voice file. How you write. Short, casual, direct. You teach Claude your sound once. Then you say, for every lead, write a personalized email in my voice. Use the owner's name. Reference their actual menu. Include the live preview link. Tell them I rebuilt their site. Hit reply if they want it. Every email is unique, written fresh, but sounds exactly like you wrote it. Let it run overnight. Wake up to 100 personalized emails sent, each one with a live custom website attached. Response rates, nothing touches it. Most cold emails pitch a service. Yours ships a product before the first conversation, 3 hours end to end. Get 3 clients out of 100, you're paid back 100 times over, and the system keeps running. Use case 3. Busy owners, this is for you. You're drowning in email. You know you are. You connect Claude to your Gmail workspace. Then, and this is where most people stop short, you give Claude a context file about you, how you sound in emails, your favorite customers by name, your pricing, your decision rules, what you never reply to, what always gets priority. That's the difference between an AI assistant that sounds robotic and one that sounds exactly like you. Then you write the instruction. Every morning, read yesterday's incoming mail. Summarize what needs my attention. Draft replies in my voice for the easy ones. Flag anything urgent. You turn on Cron, a scheduler. Runs the whole job automatically. 6 a.m. every morning, forever. You wake up. You open Claude. The work's already done. You skim. You approve the drafts. Half your inbox is resolved before coffee. You trained your assistant once. Now it works every day for free. Use case 4. You have a CRM, HubSpot, ClickUp, whatever. Connect it to Claude. Your CRM just stopped being a dashboard and started being a conversation. Claude, pull every deal over 10 grand that hasn't moved in 2 weeks. Draft follow-ups referencing what we last discussed. Done. Any lead from LinkedIn yesterday? Enrich them, tag them, add to the cold outreach sequence. Done. Same rule. Give Claude a context file on your sales playbook, your tone, your rules for when a lead is hot versus cold. Now the outputs actually match how you work. Use case 5. Finance. Connect Claude to your books. QuickBooks, Xero, FreshBooks, all real. Claude can now read your actual financials. Claude, pull last month's revenue by product. Compare to the same month last year. Design me a branded web page report for the team. Claude builds it. Your colors, charts animating, numbers pulled straight from the source. Ready to share. But here's what matters most. Claude doesn't just format data, it analyzes. Revenue's up 12%, but your top product's margin is down 3%. Here's why. Here's what to do. Context matters here too. You give Claude a file on your business model, your targets, what metrics matter. Now the analysis is sharp, not generic. You didn't hire a finance analyst, you just made one. Stop and look at those 5. They're all the same shape. You have an AI agent in the middle. You have tools plugged in, CRM, scraper, email, design generator, finance system. The agent understands your request in plain English. It knows how to talk to each tool. It decides, it acts. You give it context, files about you, your business, your voice, so outputs feel like you did them. You wrap the workflow in a skill, so next time you just say run it. You put it on a cron, so it runs on schedule without you. That's the pattern. Agent, tools, context, skills, cron, 5 ingredients. Every use case you just saw is a remix of those 5. Now here's the one people haven't figured out yet, the level above. It's called a pipeline. A pipeline is when you're not just connecting one tool to another, you're chaining 5, 6, 7 tools together, and some of them are AI themselves. The agent orchestrates the whole chain. Remember, use case 1, the competitor ads? That was a pipeline in disguise. Look at it again. Tool 1, scraper pulls competitor ads. Tool 2, an AI reads them and extracts winning concepts. Tool 3, your context file merges your brand in. Tool 4, a different AI, Nano Banana, generates the images. Tool 5, Claude writes the final branded report. Tool 6, publishes it live. 6 tools. 2 of them are AIs talking to each other. Claude runs the whole thing. That's a pipeline. Inputs go in one end, finished work comes out the other end. The freelancer flow? Also a pipeline. Scraper, Evaluator AI, Scraper, Design AI, Deployment Tool, Email Tool. 6 tools. Claude runs them in order. This is where things get wild. Because once you can build pipelines, you're not automating tasks anymore. You're automating entire operations, marketing pipelines, sales pipelines, content pipelines, support pipelines. The whole back office stuff a 10-person company used to need, you can run solo. This is what Agentic really means at scale. Real talk, champ. This is the most powerful time in AI history, right here, right now. What you set up this month compounds for the next 3 years. If you don't even know what ClaudeCode is yet, don't worry. We have a foundation course running in our community right now, and we're dropping new projects exactly like the one I just walked you through, so you can actually see this stuff in action, end to end. Links in the description. Come hang out. Build with us. And here's the best part. This is all just natural language. You're literally describing what you want. You just need to know a little bit about how things connect together. That's it. It's honestly become way easier now than being technical and setting all of this up the old way. I'm Professor Glitch. You're already thinking faster than yesterday. See you on the next one.